fridge magnet with little bit of coffee painting on it. Okay, the box. Now here the materials we need are let me show you. These are the sheet magnet. This is a magnet. You get it in different shapes and sizes, thickness, all those things. So this is a round shaped sheet magnet. Just I'll show you. See, it fixes. This is a sheet magnet. Okay. And then you need Mod Podge, a round base, wooden base, mount board, some sort of color printout. Here I have taken Egyptian face that you need to cut and keep it ready, and regular white paper, any white paper. Here I'm not going to use the newspaper or any other old paper. It's only the regular A4 Xerox paper. Okay, and scissors of course we need. Now let's get started. And then instant coffee powder. Yeah, this blouse sleeves I got it from the shop, ready-made ones. I didn't do. I don't stitch at all. I'm allergic to needle and thread. Add little coffee powder. See, alternate for Mod Podge is clear varnish from the hardware shop. You just go and ask him for picture clear varnish. But Mod Podge works out very well. Now to this, let us add some water. We will mix it. Let us mix it. No lumps. See, these kind of the sheet magnet, you get it in the photo emporiums, studios. You can just ask them, they do sell. You can even do image transfer on this and gift. Now this is ready. Next what we do is cut the regular A4 size white plain paper, or a printed for that matter, or any newspaper, whatever you would like to. Coffee powder and water, nothing else. Now this you cut it into different shapes, just at random, this way and that way. Just drop it drop it on the coffee mix like this, and then what you do is I will add some more water. Okay, fine. Then soak one bit like this, then push it aside, then another one, push it aside like this. Push them to the sides of the plate. First you drop them in the center where the mixture is, the coffee powder is mixed with water. Then you push it aside like this at random. Like this. This needs drying. Okay, make some more. I will cut and I will just drop it like this. Different shapes. Any shape for that matter. Just like this. Push it to the sides of the plate. Okay, we will keep this aside for some time. Shobha, please, I don't know the price of all these magnets. Once I got it long time back, so it was lying with me. So I thought I could better use it for to share you the thing also. Okay, now we will keep this aside. Now what happens after drying? The pieces will be like this. See, it's like burnt. Just take it from the plate, remove it from the plate like this. See, it's become very thick, and at the same time, and look at the color and the darkness and the lightness on the paper. So we are now ready with these bits. Okay. Now next we will take a round board. This is the size of this magnet. Measure and you cut the board. Then on the board you apply glue. Fabric glue or Mod Podge. A simpler one. Just spread it. Now take one by one these bits and place it over here, covering the base. Just with a finger or with a brush you can do. First you place it at random and then we can cover the in between gaps. Okay, like this. This entire round strip should be covered with these bits. These bits are regular papers dipped in coffee mix. That is coffee powder and the water. That's it. Now after that, this is the base. See, I have placed all the bits like the lighter ones to one side and the darker ones to the other side. Towards the left, the darker ones are placed, and towards the right, the lighter ones are placed. This can be done according to your wish, or entire thing can be darker or can be lighter also. Now on this we have to give the Mod Podge coat, and before giving the Mod Podge coat, let us fix it onto the magnet. This is the magnet. Apply glue. Take this, place it on top, press nicely. Takes time. You get different shapes in these magnets. All thin ones, slices. Okay. Now, where is the cutting? Now the cutting is here. This is an Egyptian pharaoh. I have cut from this printout. Apply glue at the back. Now I want to place it on the lighter side. So let me place it over here. You can even do, as I told you earlier, for the Erica plate, same way you can do Indian art forms on this. You can do it on a small piece of paper, color it, cut it, and you can decoupage it. Or even the color printout like this also you can do. You can take color prints print out like this for Pitchwai. That you can stick over here. Just paste it. Now we will give the Mod Podge coat. Transfer the Mod Podge on the palette. Oh my God. Now using a flat brush. One second. Using a flat brush, let it stick first properly. Make sure it is stuck. And then take Mod Podge and give it 3 coats, leaving a gap of 10 minutes between each coat. I'm giving the first coat. This needs drying time. After this dries completely, give a second coat, then 10 minutes gap, then give the third coat. Now this is the first coat. Some magnet sheets also you get, big size sheets, and according to the shape you want it, you can cut it also. These are the ready-made ones I got it, but you can do either way. Online, or you can order it in online also. Now we'll wait for some time and give the second, third coat. Now I'll just show you. This is stuck. This is the magnet. It is a photo print. It is not like a normal color print. It is a photo print, Rachna. This magnet is pre-cut, but you can get it in a sheet form and you can cut it also. Okay. So the simpler one we have done. We move on to the, I'll give the second coat also. These are all fridge magnets. Okay, now second coat is over. Fine. Now we'll wait for it to dry and then give the third coat.